Hi everyone, welcome back to the course. In the last video, we covered the basic of string, including string literal and the string constructor. Today, we are diving into string escape notation, a crucial topic that will help you handle the special character in your strings. By the end of this video, you will understand what escape sequences are, why we need them, and how to use them effectively in JavaScript. So let's get started. Okay, so what is escape notation? Imagine you want to create a string with a code inside it. This is okay. Sorry, before we did. Okay, did you see? This is an error, right? Because you are using quotation, insert quotation. Actually, this breaks the because JavaScript thinks the string ends at the second quote. The solution escape notation using the backslash. Okay, so it would be like this. And if you see, now it's working. If when you are using the backslash, that means JavaScript treat the next character especially. Okay, so this is one of the most used string escape notation. This backslash tells JavaScript, hey, this next character is special, treat it differently. Okay, now what is the common escape sequence? Let's look at the most common escape sequence you will use in JavaScript oftenly. First is quote. Now you might thinking, can't I just use a single quote to wrap a string with the double quotes inside? Absolutely. That's actually a smart approach. Both approach work, but knowing the escape sequence gives you more flexibility. What if you actually need a backslash in your string? You skip it with another backslash. Okay, check this code. This is the path with backslash, right? Using with another backslash, and the answer will be, I mean, the output printed out this. Okay, so the also there is another point is the third new line. So the slash n escape sequence create a new line. We need multiple times. I mean, oftenly we want to use a new lines every strings, right? Most of the use case. So if you are using this backslash and it's treat you like this: first line, second line, and third line. It's always after this escape. It's treat every other string as a new line. Okay. The another part is another use case will be the fourth tab, and these look like this. This is called slash t. It means the tab escapes. This create nicely aligned output, and we already seen this slash tag slash t in our previous video when we are creating the table. Okay. Okay. Our third question is Unicode escape sequence. You can represent any character using Unicode. Okay. And what is the meaning of Unicode? You see I, then slash u. This is common word, then the number. JavaScript. That means this Unicode means I love JavaScript, and this is a copyright, and this is a rocket for the emoji. Okay. Also, most use case we are using those. It's not oftenly used, but just try to remember. If you want to use the Unicode, you can also do that in your terminal or browser anywhere. Okay. So the practical example first is a file path, and we already seen the file path concept here, right? Also give you the another example. You see, this is the file path using concept, and we mostly use those concept when we need, but we didn't use it oftenly. Okay, another is the format output. and this is a great example for the formatting. When you are using this, actually go to your terminal and look at this format, how it looks like. Okay. So, okay, before we are moving to the terminal, we can paste all the code and then show it together. Okay. Now see, we have a file path, we have a formatted output, and also have a dialogues. So save file, go to your terminal and type node string escape and enter. You see, file location, it's exactly given us the output what we want, then the tabs, and then the dialogues. Notice something, it's give exactly what we seen in the browser or terminal, and what we expect from those character, I mean skip character. Okay, so this is the format output, this is the file output, and this is the dialog, and this all about escape notation, I mean string escape notation. Okay, now moving to our next topics, and this is a template literal alternative. In this template literals alternatives, actually modern JavaScript offers template literals as a alternative, I mean the backslash as alternative, right? And we oftenly use those character and use these backticks in oftenly actually in our project, future project you will see. Notice both are fine and both are working, both produce the same output, but template literal are cleaner for multi-line string, and we will cover those more later. Okay, this is the old format, old way, and this is the new way, and we are using this method oftenly. Okay, now the common mistakes, sometimes beginner forget the backslash and sometimes use the too many backslash. So you will notify when you did wrong. The VS Code is intelligent, so they give you the error message that you did something wrong. Okay, so this is the correct method, this is the wrong method. Another is too many backslash, and whenever you are using the too many backslash, it's always showing it here like this. Okay, double backslash. So this is a single backslash. So be careful when you are using those method. Okay, so quickly recap, use backslash to escape the special character. Common sequence is backslash, double quotation or single quotation, double backslash, slash n, slash t. For Unicode, use the slash u. This is a code. Then after this slash u, use the actual number. Then you get the any character. Template literal offer a modern alternatives. Okay. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and drop question below. See you in the next video.